PlayStation 2 Slim laser unit replacement. To replace the entire laser and motor assembly, unscrew the flat-looking screws on the four corners of the assembly. Lift, release the tabs, and pull out the 3 ribbon cables. To install the new laser motor assembly, stick the ribbon cable back on and insert the 3 ribbon cables, being sure to fasten any clips that may be necessary to secure the cable. Once the cables are connected and the assembly is in place, simply replace the 4 screws in the corners.